Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule multiple meetings on Google Meet using only one link. So let's get started. So here we are in calendar.google.com, and this is where we will be scheduling our Google Meet. So in order for us to have multiple meetings, we would need to select a time right here. So let's say we wanted to start our meeting for Monday 13th at 9 a.m. So we're gonna click here on 9 a.m. and then this would pop up, and then you can add a title. So let's say sample tutorial. And from here, you can select the time in which you would want this meeting to occur, and this would only have one link. So you would have multiple meetings. So from here, we're gonna click on this one, and then you can see the Monday. You can choose the date, the time right here, and when would it end, and so on. Let's say I'm gonna go for 5 hours, so it would be at 2 p.m. And then the next thing is that you can go for all day. If you don't want to set a time, you can just go for all day. But in my case, I'll just go for 2 p.m. And from here, you can click here on the does not repeat. So you can click on that, and you would have options right here on how frequent you would like this meeting to occur. So let's say I want it to be weekly on Monday or every weekday right here. So if you have a class, then I suggest you go for every weekday. And now this would occur from Monday to Friday every 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And then from here, you would need to click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. So that would mean that there will now be a meet every 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on every weekdays right here, Monday to Friday. So in that way, you would have multiple meeting in just one link by using this link right here. And then the next one is that you can add a guest right here, by the way. And you can add the location if needed, and you can even add attachments right here for your meeting if needed also. And you can also click here if you would want to color code this. Maybe you could go for red, or you could go for busy, free, and so on. Right here, you can tag this day, and you can go for more options, and then you would be able to go for add guest and so on. But this is just more of a broader view. So once everything is done, click on save, and then just like that, you would now have meeting every weekdays right here as we have set. So as you can see, you can already see it here being filled up in my calendar. So that is basically how you schedule multiple meeting on Google Meet in just one link. Thank you for watching.